Okay, we're looking at tangerines, canned tangerines, which is juice packed and drained. 1 cup of it, which is 189 grams, will give you 72 calories. Calories from fat 1. Total fat 0. Saturated fat 0. Trans fat 0. Cholesterol 0. Sodium 9 milligrams, 0% daily value. Total carbohydrates 18 grams, which is 6% daily value. Dietary fiber 2 grams, 9%. Sugar 16 grams. Protein 1 gram. Vitamin A 50%. Vitamin C 107%. That's high. Calcium 2%. Iron 3%. Caloric ratio 92% carbs, 1% fat, 7% protein. Estimated glycemic load 5. Inflammation factor 6. This food is very low in saturated fat, cholesterol, and sodium. It's also a good source of dietary fiber and thiamine, a very good source of vitamin A and vitamin C. Note that the percentage daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Your daily values may be higher or lower depending on your calorie needs. Let's look at the amino acids. Nutrient balance or completeness score 54. Protein quality or amino acid score none. It says for the amino acid, it says this listing does not contain enough data on individual amino acids to determine protein quality. It's 1.4 grams of protein, just 3% your daily value. There's no listed amino acids. Okay, vitamins. Vitamin A, 2,480 IU, which is 50% your daily vitamin A requirement. Wow, that's high. Vitamin C, 64.1 milligrams, which is 107%. Vitamin D, none. Vitamin E, 0.3 milligrams, 1%. Vitamin K, 0 micrograms, 0%. Thiamine, 0.2 milligrams, 11%. Riboflavin, 0.1 milligrams, 3%. Niacin, 0.8 milligrams, 4%. Vitamin B6, 0.1 milligrams, 4%. Folate, 9.5 micrograms, 2%. Vitamin B12, 0. Pantothenic acid, none. Choline, 11.3 milligrams. Betaine, none. For the minerals, calcium, 22.7 milligrams, 2% daily value. Iron, 0.5 milligrams, 3% daily value. Magnesium, 20.8 milligrams, 5%. Phosphorus, 20.8 milligrams, 2%. Potassium, 257 milligrams, 7%. Sodium, 9.5 milligrams, 0%. Zinc, 1 milligram, 7%. Copper, 0.1 milligrams, 4%. Manganese, none. Selenium, 0.8 microgram, 1%. Fluoride, none. Sterols, cholesterol, and polysterols, none. Alcohol, 0. Water, 169 grams. Ash, 0.5 grams. Caffeine, 0 milligrams. Theobromine, 0 milligrams. Let's look at the calories. $71.8 from carbohydrate, 66.4 from fat, 0.6 from protein, 4.8 from alcohol, 0. So the calories is 71.8. It's 4% your daily value. Carbohydrates, total carbs 17.9 grams, which is 6% daily value. Dietary fiber 2.3 grams, which is 9%. Starch 0. Sugars 15.6 grams. It's not listed, the breakdown is not listed, so there you go. Fats and fatty acids. Total fat 0.1 gram, which is 0%. There's not 0%, 0 grams on monounsaturated fat, polyunsaturated trans fatty acids, transmonoenoic and transpolyenoic fatty acids. Total omega-3 fatty acids 1.9 milligrams. Total omega-6 fatty acids 9.5 milligrams. There you have it.